going to learn how to design a slide using the video. So today we are going to learn the 3 ways. So first, by which we can insert the video in our text. The second, we are going to insert the video in our shapes like this. And thirdly, how to use the whole video and then design the slide like this. Alright, so let's begin. So here I have this slide. Okay, so there is this video, so I'm going to use this video. So first of all, I'm going to insert the text box. Alright, so here I'm just going to write the letter R, and the font style I'm going to change to brush script. Again, we have to change it to brush script. Alright, and let's just increase the size of the font. Alright, now it's fine. Now let's just adjust the size of the video like this. Perfect. Now in the next step, first of all, we are going to select the video. By pressing the Ctrl key, we are going to select the text. Now we'll go to the merge shape option, and then we are going to select the intersect. So this is the first step. We have inserted the video in our font. Now in the next step, we just want this video to play also. So we'll go to the animations, and then we'll just select the play animation. Now in the animation pane, we'll go to the drop down menu and select start with previews. Okay, now just select this text box and just go to the playback option. Here just make sure that loop until stop is clicked. Alright, now in the next step we are going to insert a shape that is rectangle. Now you can design your slide as you want. So just insert the rectangle, and I'm going to select this color, no outline. Alright, and just send it backwards like this. And here now you can insert your text, whatever text you want. So I'm just going to copy it from my previous slide only. Learn how to insert the text boxes. So here we have another slide. So let's increase the size of the video. Let's cover the whole slide for it. Alright, fine. Now in the next step, we are just going to insert some shapes. So let's go to the shape option and let's select any one shape. Let's just select this one. Okay, and here I'm going to select this one. Alright, now pressing the Ctrl D, just make the exact copy. Pressing the Ctrl D, it's somewhat over. Here it is. The Ctrl key. Now we will go to the merge shape option, and we are just going to select the union shape. Okay, let's adjust it like this. In the next step, first of all, we are going to select the video. Now by pressing the Ctrl key, we are going to select our shape, and then the same way we are going to intersect. Okay, now we are going to repeat the same steps. In the animation, select the play option. Alright, and here in the drop down menu, start with previous. Alright, and here we'll select playback and loop until stop. Yeah. Now let's just design our slide. So let's insert the same rectangle box from here and the text. So here I'm going to just copy them and let's send them backwards. And give it this color. Alright, beautiful. Now the next way, how to use this video, how to edit this video and design the slide. So for that, we are just going to cover the whole slide, and now we'll go to the video format. Okay, format, we'll go for color. We'll just change the color. Okay, whatever color we want to choose. So I'm just going to select this color and over it we have already given the animation play and start with previous, and now just add the text like this.